Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare pudina chutney for chats and sweet chutney for chats. Both two chutneys I'll show you today. Come on friends, we'll get into the kitchen. Now we'll start how to prepare chutney. Sweet chutney I'll show you friends. Now you can see I have taken 1 cup of tamarind juice, 1 cup of jaggery, 2 teaspoons of sugar, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, table salt is half teaspoon and half teaspoon black salt, kala namak, and water as required, and 2 teaspoons of oil. That's all. These are the ingredients for sweet chutney for chats. Okay, let's start now. Now switch on the flame and I kept one pan on stove. Now after the heat of the pan, first what should we do now? Take tamarind juice 1 cup. I squeezed nicely and filtered also. Now we'll boil the tamarind juice first. I have taken 2 lemon sized tamarind and made juice into that. So I have taken tamarind juice. Now I am pouring into the pan, and 1 cup of jaggery I have taken. This also I will add into the tamarind juice. Now we should stir continuously. Keep in high flame itself, no problem. Let it melt. It is melting in the tamarind juice. Completely melt. Then only you can add other ingredients. See friends, now jaggery and all melted. Now we'll add red chili powder friends. See, red chili powder 1 teaspoon I have taken. I will add jeera powder. You sim the flame. Keep little bit low. Now I am adding jeera powder 1 teaspoon. Normal salt 1/4 teaspoon. And black salt, kala namak, that is 1/4 spoon. Now stir it. I am adding 1 teaspoon sugar because to get glossiness to see. Okay, it will be nice and glossiness. So only I am adding only 1 teaspoon sugar. That's all. Now you should mix everything. Should well combine. See friends. See how it looks. I added sugar. No, you will get shiny. Just keep on boiling for 5 minutes. All raw smell should go, no? So only I'm boiling. Tamarind, jaggery, raw smell, everything should go. I prepared for only 1 cup. You can store it also in the fridge in the airtight container. But you store in the glass bottle, not any other container. Only the glass bottle only you should use it. See friends. Now sweet sauce, sweet chutney, anything you can call it. So sweet chutney is ready. Now see friends, finished. I'll switch off the flame. See friends, now I will serve in the cup. Over. Now next, sweet sauce, sweet chutney is ready. Now next we'll go to pudina chutney, green chutney. So I'll tell you how to prepare. Now no need a stove, only mixie and grind, that's all. So I have taken jar for grinding. Now see, this also I am making for 1 cup chutney only. So I have taken little pudina, means mint leaves, little coriander leaves, 1 lemon I have taken, but I'll use half, and 4 flakes of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, green chilies 7 to 8 pieces, and normal salt, quarter teaspoon black salt, and jeera powder. These are all the ingredients for green chutney, mint chutney. Okay, this is also for chats. Now we'll put it in the jar to grind. Okay. Pudina, ginger, garlic, green chilies, coriander leaves, now I will grind and come. I'll grind and come once again. I'll add little water for this to grind. That's all. 1 tablespoon of water I added. Next, now I am adding, after grinding that 5 ingredients, now I am adding salt, black salt, jeera powder, and I'm squeezing half lemon. Again I will grind and come. See friends, green chutney is ready now. I will serve in the cup.